Let's talk about possibility. Not the kind that just sounds good, but the kind that actually builds something. Something flexible, something empowering, something that fits into your life while making space for more of what matters.
That is what doTERRA's compensation plan is built for. It's more than just making a sale, it's about helping people live better and getting rewarded for it in a way that makes sense.
doTERRA is the largest essential oil company in the world. That's not hype, it's trust. And it didn't happen by accident. From the very beginning, doTERRA chose to stay privately owned so they could do things their way, with integrity, with sourcing you can trust, with science to back it up, and with a community people can rely on.
But maybe the most important thing they've done, they've created a plan that rewards people for making a real difference.
We built this plan with people in mind, and the choice to go with the direct sales model was very intentional.
Moms, teachers, students, wellness professionals, anyone who wants to share what they love and be rewarded for it.
It's designed to grow with you, support your goals, and strengthen your purpose.
Here's a simple version. Every product has something called PV. That's product volume.
The best way to stay qualified for all bonuses and commissions is to place a monthly rewards order of 100 PV or more. It's the same rewards program customers use, and it keeps you connected to the lifestyle you're inviting others into.
From there, you can earn in 5 different ways: retail profit, fast start, power of 3 bonus and power of 3 boost, unilevel, and pools.
Let's start with retail. Retail's straightforward. You share a product, someone buys at full price, and you keep 25% as profit. It's a nice starting point, but Fast Start is where people really get moving. Fast Start is paid weekly, and it's designed to give you real momentum. You earn 20% on orders from people you personally enroll during their first 60 days, 10% on orders from those they enroll, and 5% on orders from the people that they go on to enroll. Fast Start is about quick wins while you're building long-term stability.
Now here's one of my favorite parts of the plan, Power of 3. It's a monthly bonus built around sales structure, leadership, and consistency. Here's how it works. You build a small team of people placing reward orders totaling 500 PV with at least 100 PV from people you personally enrolled. You earn $50 a month. Help 3 people do the same, $250 a month. Help those 3 people learn how to get their 250. Now you're earning $1,250 a month.
And doTERRA doesn't stop there. They added the Power of 3 boost for people who are actively helping their customers reorder. When your personal growth volume, that's the orders from new customers you've enrolled in the past 12 months, reaches certain benchmarks, you unlock extra bonuses. $50, $250, or even $500 per month.
Altogether, Power of 3 plus Boost can earn you up to $1,750 a month with structure and consistent follow-through.
Next is where the compensation plan really kicks in, where long-term income grows. Unilevel commission. Once someone is past their first 60 days, they become part of your unilevel structure. You get paid monthly on what they buy for as long as they keep ordering.
Here's what makes doTERRA's unilevel commission unique. You earn higher percentages on your deeper levels, and that's smart because it's where most of your volume ends up over time. And as your team grows and you rank up, you unlock up to 7 levels of commission. Percentages range from 3% to 7% depending on level and rank. This is what creates long-term sustainability, steady income that grows as your team grows. And the more you support your team's growth, the stronger and more sustainable your income can become.
If leadership and making an impact matter to you, you're going to like this part. When you hit leadership ranks, starting at Premier, doTERRA rewards you even more. Every month, they set aside 8% of global company volume to share with qualifying leaders through performance pools. There are 6 pools, each one reflecting different levels of growth, impact, and leadership.
Now these pools are one of my favorite parts of the plan. They're not just bonuses, they're our way of saying thank you. Because when you rise in leadership, you're also helping doTERRA rise as a company.
The more consistently you help your team succeed, the more you can earn, not just from your own efforts, but from doTERRA's global success. It's rare to see a company reward success at this scale, and it says everything about how much doTERRA believes in their people.
Now let's zoom out and look at the big picture. There are 5 ways to earn. There's no cap on what you can make and no set timeline you have to follow.
It really comes down to consistency, relationships, and results. This isn't a lottery ticket, it's a blueprint. And whether you want a few $100s a month or you're building something that's way bigger, the path is here. But it's not just about income. It's about confidence.
It's about options. It's about creating space in your life to say yes to what matters most.
If something in you feels ready for more growth, more purpose, more possibility, this is your chance.
Step in. Make a difference. Let it start with you.